Yo, hey yo, what's up on YouTube? This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode. And today's episode, I'm gonna unbox this. I'm gonna unbox again what I've already unboxed. VGR V003. And this time around, it's a VGR V640. V640. So this time around, it's also a combo, and before it was single. Yeah, and the color is different. And right here, before it was metal. So this time around, I don't know if maybe it's a metal or a plastic. And same goes to the trimmer. I've already unboxed it before. So now this is a combo. So got the same specs, everything. And the accessories inside this box might be a little bit different from the other ones, you know. But let's unbox it. First of all, let's look. So nothing, it's very plain. And here, the back side, it's written got ceramic and DLC coating blade. 3 guide combs. Okay, this is for the trimmer. And for the hair clipper, got ceramic blade. Okay. And for the clipper, it comes with 6 guide combs. And both of them got with turbo 9000 RPMs. Okay, LED display. Okay, with a taper lever. And it comes with a 2000 milliamp battery. Hair trimmer. Hair trimmer, 2.5 hours charging time, and run time is 240 minutes. Okay, for the clipper, got 2500 milliamp battery. For the clipper, charging time 3 hours, run time 250 minutes, and both of them you can charge it with a USB, I guess USB-C. Okay, so nothing else except V640, the model number. So now let's open. Okay, comes with this one. Nothing special except maybe the specs or the rest things. Let's see. So we don't really need it. And here you got a manual. Okay. And normally it comes with a big oil, or it wasn't inside when I got it. And here you got a cleaning brush, big one. Charging cable, yeah, like I said, it's a USB-C. Okay, we got 3 guide combs for the trimmer. For the clipper, got 6 guide combs. Okay, it's the same guide combs like the older version. The older ones, you know, exactly the same. Okay. So the trimmer. Yeah, I was changing it, you know. So USB-C. This is the clipper, USB-C too. Yeah. Here, I can't really tell if maybe it's a metal or a plastic. Okay. A little bit heavy. So now let's test. 201 gram, and the older version of this one got 316 gram. Okay, this one's a little bit heavier. And the older version got a taper blade, but this one comes with a fade blade. So you see. So everything is same. Got 5 clicking lever. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 clicking lever. and it's smooth. Okay, got 2 speeds. Okay, first speed. Second speed. To the trimmer. Yo, I tried to put a TPOB crazy blade on it with a cam follower of TPOB. It was a little bit loud. And now I changed it back again to the stock cam follower. The cam follower that comes with this trimmer. So I remove it, so I put it on this blade, on TPOB crazy blade. It's much more quieter. So, first speed. As you can hear, second speed. So now let's try this one. First speed. For the clipper. So, our beacons. So, that's it for the unboxing of this VGR. Peace, man.